Are you a beginner? You just started trading, watch a few YouTube tutorials, and you sell the price go up. Well, are you missing a real foundation? In this video, I'll show you how to avoid beginner traps and start with a clear trading plan. I'm David, a full-time trader with 20 years of real market experience. Please subscribe now and go to my channel page to join the fan group, where I share exclusive setups and tools for beginners. Hello, welcome back. I'm David. Today we are breaking down what's really happening across the Nasdaq Index, Gold, Bitcoin, and Oil, plus how I'm planning my trades for each one. Okay, now let's look at gold. Gold's trend is a lot of clear. It moves in a short range. So now it's at the below at the low range, and it has spots at rebound low. So in the short term, it's better to long it. We turn to the wall on chat. Wall on chat, we can see it just finished a uptrend, and it reversed it and a retreat. So you can wait for the spot point and then enter to a blog it. A signal of risk escape. When the investors are cautious, they will turn to the gold to buy gold. The preference now, as a little questions for the whole market. You can see gold goes up and the index goes down, and also the Bitcoin goes down. So the risky asses tend up, but the risk escape risk a water asset such as gold good up. They are on the opposite set. It's a ladder. Now let's look at the US100 index. US100 index. The whole trend is still. It hit the wartime high, so today's. I think it's a action of a profit taking because the long position ends a lot, so they quit the position then at the cost of the position. But it hadn't changed the trend, the uptrend. It still will clear. So if you have patience, you can wait for the sport part and then go and slip into lag it in the short term. It's a lot to clear. Last clear whether it's go up or get down. I don't need time to digest the news, digest the emotions. So it's better to stay away from it and to observe it. Okay, and let's look at the Bitcoin. Bitcoin's daily chart. We can see it's fluctuated. This day's in a lot of big space, but it has a spot here, and it has a resistance here as a regular. You can see, at the same level. The spot is a clear and also the resistance is clear. But now it runs at the middle of this range. So it's hard to judge, to predict whether it will go up or go down. With the moment that it break out towards upside, then you can follow it, but let's look near. So it's better to stay out of it and also to have an eye on it. That's a Bitcoin. Let's look at the US oil. I think it's a little better because in the daily chart we can see it jobs for today's, and it jobs a lot this today's. So that the trend is clear. It has pressure here, a stronger pressure here. So it's hard to go up this for 5 days at just. So it's hard to go up this for 5 days. Just goes in a short run ladder. Ladder range not to, so the space is not too big. If either for sale or for buy, for long or for short. But I think it will. I choose the direction. Let's see the 1 hour chat. The 1 hour chat is squeezing in the bling band, balling band. Squeezing after squeezing it often. It usually will break out. But which direction? Up, upside, or downside? It's a lot of clear. We can prepare for it. Judge it from Proverbs. Progress a ship's ship because it jumped at the gin. Gin runs in the short range, so it has had a big possibility to go down. So just prepare for that, and when it break up, then you can follow it. That's the US war. Also, we need to pay attention to the data this week on Friday. The market has as important data. Important data, that is the employment of land and farm employment data. It's very important. So, I think the market for the main assets, they will fluctuate in a short ladder. Don't they want to have a obvious movement towards one delegation because of the caution of the data. It's because the data has a lot to clear with it. Last July also is the deadline of tariffs, so it also put pressures to the whole market. So I think we need to be more cautious about the equity assets and also the commodities. On the other hand, such as The risk of all assets such as gold is welcomed. So, buy a different components of assets. That's the overview of the market. If you want to learn more, I have a fan group. You can go to my homepage and join my fan group. I will teach you more.